How to start selling on Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can start selling on Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you have to sign up as a seller. If you want to sell on Amazon, you need to have a valid business, and Amazon is going to verify that with a document. And in order to do this, you just have to open up your browser here and then just open up a new tab, and then you just have to go to seller.amazon.com. I repeat, seller.amazon.com. I'll make sure to drop a direct link in the description box below. Now over here, you first have to make your seller account, right? So whenever you're here, you just go to seller Amazon, or what you can do is just type in Amazon, then type in seller, right? So when you go to Amazon seller, you'll find sellercentral.amazon.com. Now when you come to sellercentral.amazon.com, just go to the sign in button, and then after that, now you will be able to create your seller account which says start selling with Amazon. Tap on the sign up button, and then now all you have to do is make sure to enter your Amazon email address and phone number. Then you will be able to create a seller account. So you have to go to sellercentral.amazon.com, and here are some of the information that you need, such as your information and documents, your submission, your verification, and you'll need a valid government issued ID or passport, recent bank account or credit card statement, chargeable credit or debit card, mobile phone, the business location, and now you can tap on begin option to begin the on-screen instructions. That's all it takes to start selling on Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.